it's Gina with WTI. Are you looking for a new work shirt? This is my husband's favorite one. We got him Amazon Essentials, button-up and collared cotton shirt. And the things that he likes about it the best are, number one, that this has a really soft feel to it. It's very comfortable and soft on his skin. He loves a button-up look because it is a little bit more business-like. And even though he is a chimney sweep, he doesn't want something that is too casual. We got him the blue color because in his job, he does get a lot of ash and dark colored stains on his shirts, and the blue helps to hide it, but is still a really beautiful color, and it gets him away from always having to wear black. My husband is 6 foot and has a 42-inch chest, and he regularly wears a size medium. That's the size we got for him, and we would say this is true to size. My husband really loves the fit on this. He feels like it helps him to look a little bit on the slimmer side. We got him several of these shirts, and they are all holding up really well to lots of use and lots of washing. We think these are great, and that's our point of view.